Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA Tutorials. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw Lunar Sprout from Brawl Stars. If you're new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm going to draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now I'm going to start off with a curved line across for the top of his head. And from the side, I'm going to draw a semicircle turn downwards. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side as well. A diagonal curved line on the right side right there. A curved line across on the left side right there. And I'm gonna extend this line down on the right side to that point. In the middle point above his head, I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape like that, and another smaller one at the inner corner below right there. Now for his ear, at the side of that rectangular shape, I'm going to draw a line up on the right side, semicircle turn at the tip above to the right, and turn it back downwards to the base. I'm gonna copy the same shape again at this inner corner of the ear. And another one. Inside of that, at the base, I'm gonna draw a line up, semicircle turn to the right, semicircle turn back down. And at this upper corner, I'm going to draw a line across, another similar line at this lower point, and at the ending point at the side, I'm going to draw a circular line right there and on the right side as well. And I'm going to fill that space with black color. And I'm going to copy the same shape again at this lower point right here. At the tip of the ear, I'm going to draw a line upwards off center on the left and right. And I'm going to copy the whole ear on the left side as well. Now from the side of the ear, I'm going to trace the same outline surrounding his face. And at the bottom point right here as well, semicircle turn upwards at this corner, and I'm gonna trace the same line at the side here and back to the left side of the ear. Now going back to the upper point above his head, above that rectangular shape, I'm gonna draw a curved line across, a circular line at the side above that, curved line across at the middle point, a circular line on the left side here, sharp turn back down on the right side, a circular line from the left side above, turn it to the right at this upper point, sharp turn back down, curl it back out to the right. From the tip above, I'm gonna draw a curved line diagonally downwards. And on the right side here, I'm gonna continue the line of that circle to the side of the ear. Now below that rectangular shape, inside of the face, I'm gonna draw an oval shape at this top corner, and below that, in the middle point, I'm gonna draw a zigzag line across, and from the side of that, I'm gonna draw a line down on both the left and right, mirror the same zigzag line at this bottom point, and from the side of that, I'm gonna draw a line to the left and to the right. Diagonal line on the right side right there, turn it downwards, and I'm gonna turn it downwards on the left side as well, diagonal turn to the right and down, a line across at this lower point, an arch shape at that corner, and another arch shape on the right side. Now at the top corner on the right, I'm gonna draw a line down, sideways to that point, and at the lower point on the left, align up and sideways. Now for his eyes, I'm gonna draw an oval shape on the left side of that shape right there and fill that in with black color. For his right eye, I'm gonna draw a line across, a similar line below that, and a circular line at both ending points at the side. Fill that in with black color as well. And for his mouth, I'm gonna draw a circular shape from this corner to the middle point. Mirror that on the right side right there. Thicken that line up. And at the side here, I'm gonna draw a line downwards. Semicircle turn at that corner inwards with a curved line. A line down at that corner. Semicircle turn to the right at this bottom point. Semicircle turn back up. Curved line upwards. And semicircle turn to the left at this upper point with a straight line across. And semicircle turn back to that point on the left side. Inside of the shape, I'm gonna draw a circle, and I'm gonna leave the right corner of that circle with a gap, and I'm gonna draw a small circle from the corner of the gap to the upper corner. Surrounding that circular shape, I'm gonna draw another circular shape. And on the top right corner, I'm gonna leave a gap right there, and at that gap, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line on both corners, semicircle turn across at the top point, and a circular shape at the bottom left corner right there. On the right side, I'm gonna continue the curved line across, semicircle turn upwards on the right side right there, and a curved line inwards and upwards at the side. Curved line across at this top point, semicircle turn downwards, and a line down. On the left side, I'm gonna draw a similar shape for the sleeve with a curved line out, semicircle turn downwards, curved line downwards, and turn it back inwards at this lower point. From the side of that, I'm going to draw his arm with a curved diagonal line outwards, a line across, diagonal turn down, circular line surrounding his wrist, diagonal turn to the left, and I'm going to draw a diagonal line at the outer corner of the arms as well, semi-oval shape at the sleeve right there. And inside of that oval shape, I'm gonna draw a curved line across. At this ending point at the outer corner, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line out, semicircle turn back inwards at this lower point, back to the sleeve. A similar curved line inside of this shape right here, and semicircle turn downwards. A line across at the front point right there. Turn it diagonally up, a circular shape at this corner, and another circular shape at this corner. On his sleeve, I'm going to draw a moon shape logo with a circular line, and another smaller circular line, and a smaller circular line at that corner. A diagonal curved line for the lower line of the arm, and I'm gonna copy the same shape of the arm on the right side as well. a line across at the lower point of the sleeve on the right there. At the side of his shoulder, I'm gonna draw a curved line diagonally upwards, semicircular turn at the tip back down on the right side, and semicircular turn at the lower point sideways to the left. Below that, a line down at this corner. And at the side on the left, I'm gonna draw a line across at this top point and another one slightly below that. A diagonal line below that, and on the left shoulder, I'm gonna draw a similar shape of the cone at the side here. Now for the patterns on his body, I'm gonna draw across a curved line at this lower point and continue that on the right side here as well. And on the right side there, I'm gonna draw a circular shape and another one inside of that. Above that, a line across, semicircular turn upwards to that corner. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the left side here as well. And at this corner, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line and another one at the side of that and a circular line at the ending point. Copy the same shape again on the right side right here. And for the wheels below in the middle, I'm gonna draw a curved line down right there, sideways to the right, semi-oval shape at that corner, and another one inside of that. And from the side, I'm gonna draw a line to the right and a semi-oval shape at that ending point right there. And finally, I'm gonna draw a thick line along the outer edges. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.